I am doing our 2026 Top Series 1 Baseball Jumbo 4-box break number 1. This is going to show the silvers, any numbered cards, relics, things like that. So we pulled 2 pinks. Francisco Lindor. And a Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Silvers, we got Trout, Jonathan Aranda, Gibson Long, I should say, Kevin Gausman, Mason Barnett, Spencer Strider, Dane Myers, Lucas Giolito, the New York Mets, Matt Olson, Austin Riley, Jeremiah Jackson, and Jordan Beck. Other silvers, Owen Cassie, Josh Young, Brady House, Roman Anthony rookie with the cup, Jacob Wilson cup card, Francisco Alvarez, and Austin Wells. All right, some shimmers here. We got Joe Ryan, Paul Skeens. It'll go there. Paul Skeens, Yamamoto, and Sanchez. The Skeens on the left. If it was numbered again, we would have randomed it. Jose Soriano, Francisco Lindor, Sasaki, Carter, Kafis, Canzone, Doyle. Tovar, the Rangers, Crochet, Crockett, Crotchet, Aaron Judge that ends up going to, Bryce Durang, the Yankees, Luke Keishel, literally to Aaron Judge. I mail it to Aaron Judge. Grant Holmes, Jeffrey Springs, Kumar Rocker Future Stars, Bronx Bomber, or Buddies, I should say, and Clay Holmes. All right, numbered cards to 2026 here. We got Colby Thomas, Nico Horner. This Michael Wacha is to 50. I knew I had a gold in there. I had it mixed in with the other ones, but that's a 20 out of 50. Michael Wacha Gold Shimmer. We got Royals Muscle to 2026. And Jurickson Profar to 2026. Yellows. Dean Kremer. These are to $3.99. And Dodgers Duo. $3.99. Out of the silver packs, we pull the Cassie or Casey rookie. That is to $1.99. Blue to 150, Jose Soriano and Joe Ryan. We pulled a black to 75, Chris Bubik. Orioles killed it with the numbered cards. And then a nice color match here, a Helio Ramos. That is to 25, Orange Shimmer. I did not know that about him, Joe. How about a Manny Machado relic? City Connections relic here of Ketel Marte for the Diamondbacks, and that is numbered to 150. Hunter Green base relic. Carson Wisenhunt, rookie relic for the Giants. Yordan Alvarez, bat relic for the Astros. And check out this one, bat relic, 18 out of 25, Mike Trout. Trout relic to 25. Then our autos. Mark Grace. Ryan Ritter. Bubba Chandler, and Eric Davis. All right, guys, appreciate filling it up. Look for more of this to be listed soon. Thanks a lot.